It's not even 2 days, and you can clearly see that I have made $38 absolutely for free with this system, and this system's free training system. Here you can see we can get lots of training videos. We can watch and give it away for free and make money doing so. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Mastery, where we talk about make money online system and passive income ideas. Today we are going to talk about the OLSP system, where you can get high ticket affiliate marketing training for free, and you can promote these systems using those trainings absolutely for free. To get started with this system, you have to click the link in my description. So then you will reach this template. You just need to put your primary email and you'll redirect it to this affiliate bootcamp, where you will learn more about this system and how this works and how you can make thousands of dollars absolutely for free. After you completed that training, you will redirect it to this system, the system's dashboard, where you can see my details. This is my mentor's details. You will see my details if you join with my link, and you can directly contact me on Facebook, email, and by message. And you can get free training in this training unit. There are lots of training. You can see there are 9 units of training you will get for free. And when the best part of this is you can get $20 when you complete unit 1 absolutely for free. You don't need to do anything, just watch your training videos and get money. After you complete it, you can implement those systems. In dashboard, you can see my details and your earnings here. It's Let me show you. It's My network is slow, that's why it's taking time. You can see I have only got 124 clicks and already made $38. You can see different points you get in this system, which helps you to get different types of gifts and cash prizes at the end of the month. Every month you will get different gifts and cash at the top 100 in this program. You can see first person get around $1,000. You can see $1,000, 500, 300, 100, 80, 60, 40, $20. And you can also upgrade your program, which we will talk about the future videos. Here you can see commissions, how you make this system profit. We can see minimum threshold is $50, which you can get within a week. Here you can see I got commission from solo package and the bootcamp generation. Let's talk about how you promote this system to get maximum benefit. Uh, as I already told you, you will get training sessions in this system, and you will get other different types of live training every single week or every while. You can register for free, and you can go to its private group only for the members. There people are teaching and the mentors are teaching how to get more leads to your affiliate link. And also you can promote your affiliate link on social media, just like daily affiliate marketing tricks using Facebook. And in future videos we will talk about more of depth of this system, what you get, how you promote, and what are the other benefits you will get from this system. And I highly recommend you to go with this system. uh, the link is in the description. You don't need to spend any money to get this training. You can learn more and more with this system. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.